Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be fishing at a private pond, and from the looks of it, I think it's going to be a good day. I mean, you cannot tell me it isn't. So we're going to get ready, going to get our baits in there, our rods in the boat, so catch you guys soon.
Here we go, boys. First fish of the day. Bring her up here. Oh yeah. There we go. What are you using? That drop shot?
Yeah. With that purple worm.
Oh yeah.
Hey. Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Makai.
Beautiful day out here. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, get that fish.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, let's go, baby.
You got a thing on?
What do you... Oh, that purple.
That's what I caught it on.
Oh yeah, baby. That's how you do it right there. Oh yeah.
Here.
Just nice and slow.
No, they're up there. I thought I had them in here, but no.
You just gotta go slow with it.
Slow.
Like so slow.
Oh my God. Dude,
Oh my. There we go, baby. It's number 2. Look at that.
That's number 1.
Well, number 2. You
Yeah.
caught one, I caught one.
Okay. I'll go with that.
There we go, baby. Let's get a nice release on her.
Yeah. Find my worm?
Let's get a nice release on this girl. Boom, baby. Come on.
Get my worm back.
No,
That's what I caught it on too, though.
I know. Now
They like that worm.
they like this worm.
I'm trying to see if they like anything else.
Apparently not.
That's a nice fish.
That was a nice fish. When it first bit, dude, it felt humongous.
Well, it's pretty big.
Because it was like up here and I was just dragging it through all the weeds.
That's how I caught mine.
They're in the weeds then. Because I casted it about that far out. And I just did this. Literally, I just did this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave this recording for a little bit. So, what do you think? How'd you think of that fish?
That's pretty good.
Pretty good fish, yeah?
It looked nice.
Oh, see that? I know you guys, you seen that? That thing took a minute to eat it too.
Yeah, they're very not real fast.
Cause I felt like I was just going through all the weeds because it was going tick 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 tick. And then I pulled it through one patch, and then I let it sit, and then boom, just hammered it. There we go, baby. First fish of the day for me. First fish of Pops. Now we gotta get you on one. I'm gonna leave this recording a little longer. I think I just had a tippity tap tap. Felt so.
Go slow, Makai.
I think I feel something.
We'll let it sit for a second.
Yeah. So what you want to do is drag through these weeds. Look.
Minute,
Look, you want to drag through the weeds. You feel the weeds bumping against your stuff?
Yeah.
Drag through those weeds and let it sit. Yeah, I can see your bait, so reel it in.
So like go through the weeds and just let it go.
Go through the weeds, wait till you pop out of a couple, and then let it sink.
And let it sink.
Then go do it again. Just keep doing that.
it's slow,
Really slow.
boring slow.
Like waiting for the bus type of slow. Like trying to get up in the morning and go to school type of slow. It's gonna be a slow day today. Told you all I needed to do was sit down. As soon as I sat down, I caught that fish.
Shut up.
You shut up. Ow, my back.
Oh, that was a great fish. I need a heavier weight.
Dickwad.
Oh, I got one. I got something. Nope. Never mind.
No, you had something.
It probably pulled you.
What the hell? You had something.
Just pull it slow through them weeds.
Like, if you think you're going slow, you're not going slow enough. You gotta bite, huh?
No.
Weeds. Yeah. Mackay, if you think you're going slow, go slower. That's the type of slow you want to do.
Well, you just feel it going off the.
Like when you can feel it going off the weeds and stuff. Watch out. Sit down.
Shut up, bitch. God, you're a little fucking crybaby.
Nah.
You are.
I'm not using that one right there.
Oh, I gotta say that. No, Mackay ain't got nothing.
You got a tree?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you do. Just pull it back, I guess, and I gotta set you up with a new one. Biggest fish for him for today? Oh yeah, Mackay, bring that baby in.
Oh wait, and listen.
Bring that baby in, buddy. We're all here to watch it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're bringing it in.
Oh yeah. Absolute giant.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh crap. It's right there. Get your catch. Get your catch. Oh yeah. Look at that catch right there, guys.
Oh yeah. Monster.
Absolute. That's like how heavy you think that is? 10-pounder?
Oh yeah, definitely like 10 pounds right here.
Oh yeah, baby.
PR.
PR.
Throw this baby back in the water.
Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful.
Fine, I scared him out over there.
That fish came pretty close to the bank too, though.
That was, yeah.
Mine. Like that came from right here. Dad, hold on. It takes time. It takes time.
What takes time?
Catching.
Hey, I already caught one.
So did I, senor.
Not as big as mine.
See that? You feel that? That's the weeds. That's what we're going through. That's what we went through whenever I caught mine.
They must be like down on the ground. Like
They're inside the weeds.
Yeah.
They're just waiting for to ambush their prey and stuff. Come on, fish, fish. What was that? No, no garbage was left.
Oh, that's my car. That's my stuff.
We should try to dig up some worms and try to worm fish.
The thing I got on looks just like one.
How the fuck does this shit happen? How in God's green earth does this shit happen?
What?
I'm asking, how the hell did this shit happen?
What'd you do?
I'm about to eat your sandwich.
What's that?
Your breakfast sandwich.
Oh.
I will now. Let that sit out there right now. Beautiful, tasty lunch real quick. Go in here and grab it. Lunch right there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to put some fish on a gummy worm.
It's not a giant, but I mean, hey, that's something.
On the lizard!
Off the bottom?
No, in these fucking...
Oh, really?
Watch. Hold on. Let me show you what I did. Well, there's another one, guys. That's number 2 for me for today. Get a nice gentle release on her. There she goes. Let me show you what I did.
Yeah, I don't know how to tie it.
Ready? That's what I did. So I went right here. I just let it sit and all that shit. I just drug the bottom underneath all of that stuff. With a lizard. On a lizard. Caught that on a lizard. That motherfucker tucked back though. I thought it was big, that's why. Cause I pulled up and my rod went like this. Zoom. One more cast. Last cast right here. Ain't that crazy? One more before we had to go.
Oh yeah, got one last snag before we had to go.
Ha! Alright, well, I hope you guys liked this episode. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and without further ado, that's all I got for you guys today. See ya. Yo, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know by leaving a like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.